Ever wondered what it would be like to have a magical world right in your backyard? Have you heard about fairy gardens? These captivating tiny landscapes are a delightful blend of fantasy and horticulture, bringing both magic and joy. Fairy gardens are miniature landscapes created with the magic of imagination and a love for nature. Creating a fairy garden is a creative journey where you design an enchanting miniature world. It's an adventure in miniature landscaping, where small plants, delicate as a fairy's touch, become towering trees. Your choice of plants will set the stage for the tiny world you're about to create. But what's a garden without furniture? Miniature furniture, that is. Tiny tables, chairs, swings, even a fairy-sized hammock will make your garden come alive. They add a touch of whimsy, a dash of charm, and a sprinkling of magic. And speaking of magic, let's not forget the star of the show, the fairy figurines. They bring life to your garden, giving a sense of enchantment and wonder. They're the ones who'll frolic in the garden, rest on the tiny furniture, and bring your creation to life. Your personal creativity and imagination are crucial in making each fairy garden unique. Remember, the beauty of a fairy garden lies in its uniqueness and the magic that you infuse into it. But fairy gardens are not just about creating an enchanting miniature world. They're a gateway to a world of creativity, offering a unique platform to express yourself artistically. As a calming hobby, they help ease stress, providing a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And here's the best part. They're a fun project for everyone, from the young to the young at heart, bridging generations through a shared love for nature and imagination. Fairy gardens are a wonderful way to connect with nature and unleash your creativity. Now that you know about the magic of fairy gardens, are you ready to create your own enchanting miniature world? Embrace the joy of crafting your very own fairy garden and share your magical journey with us. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about such interesting topics, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Happy gardening!